it's my pleasure to welcome you to BioWales 2013.
The BioWales event is growing from strength to strength, with more people here than last year, which was a record attendance in itself.
GE is a very large company. We have a long history in Wales, and it's not just that we're proud of the heritage, but it's because of the access to talent and partnerships with local and regional industry and academia and the health service. It makes Wales actually a fantastic place for GE to continue to play a leading role in the future of healthcare.
I'm Mark Smith. I'm the Director of Healthcare, Life Sciences and Consumer Healthcare for Microsoft in the UK.
I'm delighted that I am announcing today that a life science hub, set to be a national and international focal point and nerve centre of the sector in Wales, will be established and operational this year. The hub will act as a central resource for the whole of the life science sector in Wales, including academia, business, clinical and funding organisations, and I hope will stimulate interaction, innovation, networking and collaboration.
It has a vision. The vision is to bring smart specialist equity finance to Wales. 100 million fund is the target. 50 million commitment from the Welsh Government. That's to be matched with 50 million from limited partners from around the world. We want to focus on the best.
It's so good to see so many Welsh businesses here and international businesses today.
And Johnson & Johnson has a tradition of investment and work in Wales, and we invested recently 50.3 million in our capital investment in Pencoed, an ortho clinical diagnostic facility, state-of-the-art, in exporting 94% of its output around the world. And we also work with Cardiff University and Swansea University, to name but two world-class universities. But one thing I think I'm really passionate about is that we directly employ and support over 1,200 high-quality jobs within Wales. I take no hesitation to want to come and show off the Welsh life science strategy to my global bosses over in New Brunswick.
I am delighted to launch Health Research Wales, a signposting and facilitation service available to all those who need advice and support on the requirements to undertake research in Wales.
I was very pleased today as well to sign a memorandum of understanding between ourselves and colleagues in Lund around the Medicon Village.
And I have every confidence that with this great life science strategy, with a great health system, the NHS in Wales, that the Welsh Government, the Welsh NHS and the Welsh Life Sciences will deliver jobs and deliver for patients.